Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of predictive maintenance. This cutting-edge strategy is revolutionizing industries in ways we only dreamed of, particularly in farming and agriculture. In this episode, we'll uncover how predictive maintenance operates, its significant impact on productivity, cost savings, and even its environmental benefits. So stick around, you wouldn't want to miss how this technology could be a game changer in our pursuit of a more sustainable future. Imagine a world where high-tech features from futuristic movies are now a reality, transforming traditional industries in ways we never thought possible. Today, we're exploring one of the most advanced maintenance strategies out there, predictive maintenance, or PDM for short. So what exactly is predictive maintenance? Unlike traditional maintenance that relies on a set schedule, predictive maintenance uses the actual condition of equipment to dictate when maintenance tasks should be performed. This strategy not only saves time, but also prevents the risk of doing too little or too much maintenance. It's a perfect balance, avoiding the pitfalls of both schedule-based and reactive maintenance. Now, how does predictive maintenance actually work? It's all about smart technology. By installing sensors and measuring devices on key assets, these tools collect data on the equipment's condition and performance. When something unusual is detected, like an unexpected vibration in plant machinery, it automatically triggers a maintenance work order. This proactive approach is enhanced by the Internet of Things, or IoT, linking entire facilities and enabling a seamless flow of information. Let's shift gears and talk about how predictive maintenance and analytics are revolutionizing the farming and agriculture sector. With the global food demand expected to skyrocket by up to 98% by 2050, farmers are turning to data to boost productivity. Techniques like precision agriculture involve installing soil probes and using GPS-equipped tractors, allowing farmers to manage resources like water and fertilizers more efficiently, potentially increasing production by about 30%. But the benefits don't stop there. Predictive maintenance also opens up significant opportunities for cost savings. By adopting smart farming techniques, the agriculture sector could save an estimated $250 billion annually just by optimizing resource allocation. And when it comes to supply chain management, predictive analytics offers enhanced visibility, helping farmers connect with retailers and suppliers more effectively. One of the most compelling reasons to adopt predictive maintenance in agriculture is for its environmental benefits. Overuse of nitrogen, for example, poses a significant threat to the environment. Predictive strategies can help manage the use of nitrogen more effectively, preventing its harmful excess from damaging biodiversity and contaminating water sources. So, how can predictive maintenance make farming more sustainable? It starts with understanding the production process, identifying key variables like weather and climate changes. From there, farmers can make data-driven decisions about planting and harvesting, optimize nitrogen use, and continuously improve processes based on historical data and real-time insights. In conclusion, the integration of predictive analytics, big data, and artificial intelligence is not just enhancing agricultural productivity, but also helping manage it in a more environmentally sustainable way. While we can't control all external factors, predictive maintenance gives us the visibility and tools to manage them better than ever before. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the world of predictive maintenance, its impact on productivity, cost savings, and environmental sustainability in farming and agriculture. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions. To learn more about our work at UpKeep, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the future of farming is here, and it's more connected and intelligent than ever.